Find features that differentiate it from other brands for RVMP Flex Power 4500 watt dual fuel portable inverter generator. Because consists of highlight features as follows. Engineered by RV generator professionals, designed by the team that builds professional RV power systems. Built to handle vibration, heat, dust, and long run times, the same conditions that expose weaknesses in typical portable generators. Clean, stable power for modern electronics. 4500 watt peak, 3800 watt continuous inverter output delivers true sine wave power to protect appliances, tools, and sensitive electronics like phones and laptops during camping trips, outages, and everyday home backup needs. Safety systems designed for real-world use. Automatic CO safety shutoff helps protect people and equipment by automatically shutting down if unsafe conditions are detected, a critical safeguard learned from professional power system environments. Whisper quiet operation anywhere, runs at just 57 decibels at 23 feet, quiet enough for neighborhoods, campgrounds, and overnight use. Meets National Park Service sound requirements. Eco mode reduces noise and fuel consumption without sacrificing performance. Versatile, ready for anything design, 2.1 gallon tank gives up to 10 to 12 hours of runtime. Includes 4 GFCI household outlets, a 30 amp outlet, 2x USB ports, 12 volt DC receptacle, parallel capability, and high altitude performance, up to 5,000 feet, requires additional jet kit. Ideal for camping, home backup, tailgates, and job sites. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.